Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. It's time to clean everything up and put down the cover crop. Winter Rye in this case.
Beautiful western clouds. And a gorgeous sunflower. Last one. Okay, I showed you what I did with the tomatoes to give them some more sunlight, and boy, are they responding positively. Then, of course, as you can see, I've pretty much taken everything down. It's that time of year. Still got some beautiful flowers blooming. Here, absolutely, look at that baby. Now, of course, these bachelor buttons that have been going like crazy. Dianthus, of course, all year. And then you can take a look through everything here. Let's get into here. Take a look down the line. Pretty much taking everything out. Nice piece of amaranth. One more sunflower over there. And then, of course, all the peppers, everything's been taken out. The squash on the top, the covering. Those are drying for seed. And then, of course, our last beautiful piece of Aztec with a Dahlia. And a marigold. Look at that. Bang, bang. All right, here's the inside view. That sky is something beautiful. I love it when those cirrus clouds just get like that. All right, here it comes down to it. Pretty much pulled everything up. Cut down the bee balm and all the herbs and stuff. I got some scragglers in there, tomatoes. On the back there. And then looking down our beautiful area here. All right, I got some winter rye. I cut down all the, of course, the comfrey, marshmallow. And I got some winter rye that I'm gonna plant. All right. Seeds planted and water. As you can see. Look at that. It's going to come up really nice. All right. And of course, I fixed my antenna because the squash had it squashed. And of course, the engine still racking up some low voltage. And the resonators, I guess they're going to help all these beautiful things stay beautiful. All right. Durango Electro-Culture out.
I've been looking at all the other gardens in the area, and they've thrived this year with all the rain and sunshine and good weather. And Junctions Creek is still running. Never really dried up. A beautiful year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.